How to create Steam account on mobile. So if you find this video helpful, click that subscribe button. Click that bell icon on so you'd be updated if there are new uploads in this channel. So let's go to our browser. So for this one, I will be using Chrome. And in your browser, just type in Steam. So once here, go to the results and go to this create a Steam account. So wait for it to load in the website. So in the website, you will be redirected here. If you have a account already, just sign in. But since this is a tutorial for creating an account, let's go to this link. So usually you will be redirected to this link. I was redirected there because I have a Steam app. So just type in your email address here, confirm it, and then once you confirm it, just type in other essential information for your account. So just click in I am not a robot and then just complete the puzzle right here. So once you have done that, it will verify. Just confirm and verify it in your email and you will be redirected here. So just create your Steam name account, choose a password, confirm a password, and then you are done and good to go to create a account. So just sign in after that to your Steam account. So thank you for watching.